इसी।
क्या बात है।
Even then, since the past 4 years, he has been doing the faithful duty. Then comes the Gaurav Chitta guy with attendance almost 100%. Be it any sport, the coach him be called. He is Mr. Gaurav Nagpal. He is a topper too, but doesn't seem to be. Nakres like a star, she is Miss Neha Agarwal. Then comes the grand old man of our class. Sincerity and dedication and nothing crass. Every year who would love to visit Haridwar, he is Mr. Nitish Agarwal. Then comes Anjum, who for us is hardly known to speak, except when she says very sweetly, "May I come in please?" Smiling guy जिसका नहीं था कभी कोई दोष, दोस्तों का दोस्त, he is Mr. Paritosh. And this reminds me of someone with a lot of amazing josh. असी पंजाबी हैं, कोई गल नहीं, असी है Mr. Paritosh. Then there is Mr. Swaika and his pretty dimple. This guy too is a yaro ka yaar, but is too simple, I think.
I love you, Swaika.
Then there is the Trioga ala Amar Akbar Anthony. That is Mr. Ashish and Sunny. If you are bored while writing an exam, just watch them at play and get amazed at the messages to each other they can convey. Then comes the incorrigible football fan, Pranjal. With him chatting with the teachers boisterously, the class can't be dull. There is Mr. Mridul who can endorse fair and lovely by, but who will he replace? SRK or Aishwarya Rai?
Ultimate.
And there's Pinkesh Baba with plenty of words that he thinks are wise. And with this Buddhi Jeev, first jata hai bichara Mr. Rajiv. Speaking of Rajiv, the one who comes to mind is our Sanam. Sanam. जिससे हमारा प्यार न होगा कम. And speaking of प्यार, they are Abhinav and Ankita on a happening romantic endeavor, and they Sandeep, they are almost sweeter they were. Then we have my good friend Yuvraj, the sportsman. While giving answers in a Viva becomes a showman. There is someone who loves sociology.
अब बताओ.
Mr. Pranav Dayal, who by the way is indifferent to physiology. And then there is Mr. Piyush Devan, who wears Govinda red pants, but is a fan of Salman Khan.
Golf cap भूल गया तू.
There is the ever-grinning Mr. Saurabh Arora, with whom you dare not argue. Find yourself saying "cut gaya." Another argument you would never pursue. He's the only one who listens to everything a teacher says. Getting run out, he can find many ways. Don't argue with him, he always comes trumps. Mr. Saurabh Gaba, who can give teacher goosebumps. There is someone from every mischief read fun who would abstain. He is very calm and composed, Mr. Shreyansh Jain.
Iqbal.
Then is Mr. Kuldeep, who can play any sport well. He likes to flirt, but it leads to no avail.
Gatta bhai,
Then is our friend Mr. Varun Singh, who can never stand the dhoop, and Mr. Himanshu Chuk, who feels that everything would end in the soup. Then there is the simple Mr. Hemant, who can clearly hit the ball, who detests things like pasta and loves his paneer and dal.
युवराज, why are you shaking? हाथ क्यों हिल रहा है? युवराज कांप क्यों रहा है? Once more. दोबारा.
Once more. I was shaking for a reason, because the next line is also giving me the goosebumps. There is Miss Vasudha Mani and her and Miss Prerna, who thinks about whatever she says, but a second too late. Then there is Mr. Amit Garg and his chubby cheek. We hope he finds a lali soon and everything is cheap. Mr. Rahul is the quiet, studious boy who rides a Lala Pilan. Partners he would rather have, we can think of a million.
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
रात को हटाओ वहां से।
अरोड़ा को ले आओ। अरोड़ा
इंग्लिश पढ़ी नहीं जा रही। पढ़ के नहीं बोलूंगा मैं। आ जाऊं।
Quiet, studious boy who writes Lala's Pillion. Partners he would rather have, he can think of a million. There is someone who likes to do his work without much pomp and show. Mr. Ashish Sharda, who is amazing dedication to Triple E. There is Mr. Chandan Kumar, who we call our leader.
चंदू 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 चंदू
Who while playing basketball finds his own cute cheerleader. There is our Shambhu Bhai.
तेरे आगे
One more.
चंदन का एक बार हो रहा है।
There is Mr. Chandan Kumar, who we call our leader, and who while playing basketball finds his own cute cheerleader.
There is our Shambhu भैया. There is our Shambhu भैया जो सबके मन को भाए हैं, पर क्या करें वो अपना दिल बिहार में छोड़ के आए हैं.
There is the कांगड़ी पहलवान Mr. कांति लाल, जो ड्राइंग बनाते हैं कमाल. And there is Mr. भट्ट सिद्धार्थ, जिनके हैं कोमल हंसी और उतने ही कोमल हाथ.
And Mr. Mithusula Samuel Joy, who even after these 4 years is a bit shy and quiet. There is nice guy Mr. Prashant, who is usually very shant.
And Mr. Yatin Bhatia, who likes to crack jokes like Govinda. And does a good job of it, for his pet name is actually Govinda. There is Mr. Divya, the daddy of NYPD. And the lovers, Mr. Vijesh and Miss Pratika Chaturvedi.
There is Mr. Rohit Gupta and the hard-working bloke, and Mr. Saurabh Mehta, who after every laugh seems to choke.
शिवा रह गया। शिवा रह गया।
We have our very own in-house Laurel and Hardy. Though their humor falls flat most of the times, but Mr. Sanchit Malik and Mr. Adi.
Then is Mr. Nikhil Manchanda, who despite failing after
शिवा रह
many
गया।
tries, is a very must banda. Then there is the guy with hidden talents, Mr. Sethi Rohit, and the ever smiling Mr. Patharia, who with a dhaga and dhoti would look like a pakka purohit.
While Mr. Arush Bhargava is a very funny bloke, how can we forget Mr. Harshvardhan Akka Habu here, who can smile and intimidate and kill with a stare.
There is the gaming freak Mr. Sudipto, who loves to play. We hope that from the games Kaba likes, he stays away. There is Mr. Bharat Sharma, who likes to play hide and seek, and there are some rules he tends to tweak.
But before we go, we want to make it clear that only the tip of the iceberg did we smear. Everyone has a lot of things making them what they are, and we with our limited talents could thus go only far. This poem has been completely written by Piyush. We put in some inputs, and if you don't want to round up him, you can round him up.
शिवा रह गया।